your love.
Beautiful people, is your favorite. Oh, what is that? Favorite. Favorite Ugandan girl, Miss Cheri Coco. And I'm back at it again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about contacts. I'm someone who loves change, and I feel like contacts are a quick and easy solution to change up your look if you're fiending for something new, something fresh, something vibrant. Contacts are the perfect thing to just pop in with any eye look, with any makeup look, with any outfit. Contacts just really zhuzh up the whole vibe. So today I have some contacts from Bulunguis. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's gonna be right here. Okay, and right now they're having this deal where it's buy one get one free, or it's buy two get three free. I opted for the buy one get one just so I can test out their contacts. The two that I got two different colors. They're pretty similar, but I'm hoping one's more on the green side and one's more on the honey side of the spectrum. So I did get the RX Eyewish HD Brown. Those were $35. And then I got the Meetone Hidrotone brown. The Eyewish RX Brown came in this kind of packaging. And the last time that I ordered from this company, they sent me like the whole little set where it has a little contact tweezers where you can pick it up, and then it has the little setting thing where you can put the contact on top and pop it in so you don't have to use your fingers. They didn't do that this time. I don't know if it changed. I know I did order like a long time ago. Like I think the last time I ordered from them was like 2017. And then for the Hidrotone Brown, this was the packaging. Pretty simple. I haven't opened this one, but I did go ahead and pop open the Eyewish just because I was super excited. I didn't get any prescription on either of the two because there's nothing wrong with my eyes. Shipping, y'all, these people have horrible customer service. I emailed them just to see where it was going to be because, you know, the things that are going on in the world currently, you know, some stuff is slower to ship. So I just wanted to know like what was up. I did want to use them for a photo shoot, and I was just trying to see if I could or if I couldn't. Should I plan on it or should I not? They didn't email me back. I emailed them. Let's see, hold on, I'm gonna tell y'all when I ordered it. So I placed the order March 14th and I got them today. So it took them about 3 weeks to get here, a day shy of 3 weeks to arrive at my residence. Mind you, I'm in San Antonio right now, and they're based in San Antonio, and it still took 3 weeks. Now, the disclaimer or the excuse I guess we can use is that there is things going on in the world right now, and shipping is kind of everywhere, but they could have at least emailed me back and let me know like, hey, we sent it out, we don't know what's going on, we hope it'll get to you soon, blase. Didn't get any of that, didn't get a tracking number, didn't get none of it. It just simply says on the website that it has been shipped. It doesn't even say that it's arrived or the order has been completed, but nonetheless, I digress. it's good. So the contacts were $35 for the two of them, and then it was $3 shipping. So in total I paid $38 for the two, which is not bad at all. It comes out to $19 each. It's not bad. All right, so these are the Eyewish Brown ones. For the most part, they're extremely comfortable. They don't irritate my eyes at all. I actually had them on for about 5 hours today. No dry eyes, no weird symptoms that you typically get from bad contacts. No discomfort. They're easy to slip on and off. They don't lag. Like some contacts get stuck, and when you look side to side, you know, they're still stuck in that one spot, and your eyeballs moving or your pupils moving, and you got two going at two different rates. They don't do that. They move with the eyes. They're super lightweight. You don't feel them when they're in your eyes, so I really appreciate that. But other than that, I really like these. I did put them on off camera because look, I have to wash my hands, get it together, and then pop them in because I'm not trying to have no eye disease, and I hate when there's like little fuzzies stuck in your contacts and it just annoys the crap out of you. But yeah, there's no natural lighting that I can show you guys these contacts in, but for the most part, I can get as close as possible and try and show y'all, but let me even darken. Yeah, they're really pretty. So yeah, this is what they look like with a full face of makeup and lashes. I'm not gonna show you what they look like without makeup. I'm just gonna show you what they look like without lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and pop in the other ones, and yeah. So I'm back with the second pair of contacts, and these are the Meetone Hydrocore in brown, and they do give me kind of green vibes. I don't know if y'all can tell. They are a little bit more on the greener side. They look very similar to the last ones, to the Eyewish ones, but they are slightly different. They give me like a greenish gray vibe. If I step back, this is kind of what I'm given. Really like these two. They're extremely comfortable. They're thinner than the previous pair. They're significantly thinner, actually. It's not a problem. They're more, not that they're more comfortable, they still feel the same. Both of them feel extremely comfortable. I could probably wear them for a couple hours at a time without having to remove them because of discomfort. They're really nice. My eyes do not feel dry. They didn't feel dry with the other ones either. No complaints on my end. In regards to movement, they do move with my pupils. They don't lag in any way, shape, or form, which I'm very happy about that. Thank you. Look, and like I said, they're similar, but they're not the same. So to me, and that's all that matters. I'm the only one gonna be wearing them. They're similar, but they're not the same. They don't give me the same vibe. Like, this one is kind of more cool, more gray, and the other one isn't. Let me turn down the light settings real quick. So this is what it looks like in darker lighting, with darker settings. So I still really like these ones as well. So yeah, this is this pair. Super duper cute. So now I'm going to show you what they look like without lashes. Of what the vibe would look like if you weren't wearing a full face of makeup. This is the second pair, the Hidrotone brown. Still looks super natural. I can still walk out the house with these contacts without makeup on and look like a normal human being. Guys, so we're back with the first pair. This is the Eyewish contacts in brown. This eye is what it looks like without any lashes. Like I said, I do still have on makeup, but they look fairly natural. Definitely go to the supermarket with no makeup on and these not look crazy. I not look like some type of witch or vampire or like it's Halloween or anything like that. They're super duper cute, really easy on the eyes, no harsh ring, not super pixelated. Really love these. So they look bomb with lashes and bomb without. Alright, beautiful people, so that is going to conclude this video. The two different contacts that I purchased from Boulingouise. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. I will put the links for the contacts that I got in the description box, so check that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's a free way that you can help your favorite Ugandan girl, Miss Senora Cheri Coco. Okay, oh, and I will see you guys in the next video.